Hi students. So in index numbers today we are going to discuss the conversion of fixed base index to chain base index. Okay, nothing but in previous index what we have seen. Okay, now all the methods what we have seen, those all methods comes under the fixed base index. So now we are going to see that fixed base index should be converted into chain base index. So once you see the formula regarding chain base index is equal to current year link relative into previous year chain index divided by 100. That's the formula. Means here what we have to do, first of all we have to calculate the link relatives. After that we have to calculate the chain index. So once you see the question here, convert the following series of index numbers to chain base index he has given. So year and index numbers he has given. So once you see how we have to calculate. So year, fixed base index, link relative and chain index. So years I have taken, okay na, fixed base index I have taken. Now first of all here we have to calculate the link relative. How to calculate the link relative? Here fixed base index how much he has given? 100. So link relative we have to take the 100. Now you see here, from second year we have to calculate. You see current year fixed base index 110 divided by previous year fixed base index. See carefully here, current year fixed base index divided by previous year fixed base index means 110 divided by 100 into 100. So how much you got? 110. Next, current year fixed base index 125 divided by previous year fixed base index 110. So 125 divided by 110 into 100. So 113.64. Next one, current year fixed base index is 133 divided by previous year fixed base index 125 into 100. So 106.40 we got. In the same way we have to calculate here, 149 divided by 133 into 100. 139 divided by 149 into 100, 150 divided by 139 into 100, 165 divided by 150 into 100. Okay, remember current year fixed base index, okay, divided by previous year fixed base index into 100. Okay, afterwards what we have to calculate? Chain index we have to calculate. Chain index we have to take 100. Okay, now you see here how to calculate chain index. What is the formula for a chain index? Current year link relative into previous year chain index. Remember. So current year link relative how much we got here? 110 into previous year chain index is how much? 100 divided by 100. So 110. Again current year link relative is how much? 113.64 into previous year chain index is how much? 110 divided by 100. 125 we got. Next one, current year link relative is how much? 106.40 into previous year chain index 125 divided by 100. Next, current year fixed base index 112.03 into previous year chain index divided by 100, 149. Okay, I think you have understood here. So the same way, current year link relative into previous year chain index divided by 100. Okay, same thing. Okay, this if single series he has given, then you have to do in this way. Nothing but if only single information, single data he has given, you have to do in this way. Okay, and one more method you see in chain index itself. Now you see here. Okay, calculate the chain index numbers chained of to 1993 from the average price of the following three commodities. Okay, here single information he has given, not given, regarding three commodities he has given. So if the information, if data is given in this way, then how we have to calculate once you see okay. See, first computation of chain index to link relatives. Nothing but first we are calculating link relatives. Okay, why? Because for calculating chain index what is required? Link relatives are required. So first of all we have to calculate the link relatives here. Individually first we have to calculate. Okay, for each commodity. Now first 1993 had said, so 1993 we have to take 100 here. Okay, for all, for wheat, rice, sugar, for all these things you have to take 100. From 1994 we have to calculate the link relative. So for calculating the link relative, what I have said, current year fixed base index divided by previous year. So 6 divided by 4 into 100 is equal to 150. Next, this way, not this way, itla calculate cheyanడి. Next, 8 divided by 6 into 100. Why? Because first we are calculating wheat here. So 8 divided by 6 into 100. 10 divided by 8 into 100. 12 divided by 10 into 100. Okay, na 6 divided by 4 into 100, 8 divided by 6 into 100, 10 divided by 8 into 100, 12 divided by 10 into 100. Next, coming to the rice. Okay, rice 20 divided by 16 into 100, 24 divided by 20 into 100, 30 divided by 24 into 100, 36 divided by 30 into 100. Next, sugar 10 divided by 8 into 100, 16 divided by 10 into 100, okay, 20 divided by 16 into 100, and 24 divided by 20 into 100. So you will be getting these values. Now total these values. This is nothing but total of link relative. Total of link relative. 300, 400, 413.33, 375, 360. Okay. Now what we have to do now? Average we have to do. What we have to do now? Average. Why? Because wheat, rice, sugar. Regarding three commodities he has given. So now what we have to do? We have to make the average. So three commodities are divided by 3. Okay. 300 divided by 3, 400 divided by 3, 3.33 divided by 3, 375 divided by 3, 360 divided by 3. So these values you got. Now we have to calculate the chain index. So first here as usual we have to take the 100. For calculating chain index, what is the formula ma? Current year link relative, okay na, into previous year chain index, into previous year chain index divided by 100. Once again I will say current year link relative into previous year chain index divided by 100. Here also current year link relative into previous year chain index 133.33 has a divided by 100. Here current year link relative into previous year chain index divided by 100. So current year link relative into previous year chain index divided by 100. So these are the values you got. Okay, this is it regarding chain index, nothing but conversion to the chain index. Okay.